In this video, we are going to explore anonymous functions and closures in Go. We will discuss function literals and how they capture variables. Let's dive in. Let's understand what anonymous functions are. Anonymous functions are functions without a name that can be declared inline and used immediately or assigned to variables. Look at the basic syntax given in the code. It starts with the keyword func, followed by parentheses for arguments and curly braces for the function body. In this example, we are printing "Hello World" to the console. Now let's explore function literals with examples. The first example shows immediate execution. We define an anonymous function that takes a string argument, name, and prints a greeting. This function is immediately invoked with the argument Alice. The second example demonstrates variable assignment. Here, we assign an anonymous function to the variable greet. This function also takes a name argument and prints a greeting. We then call the greet function with the argument Bob. Let's delve into closures. Closures are functions that capture and can access variables from their surrounding scope, even after the outer function returns. Consider the simple counter example. The counter function returns another function. The inner function increments and returns the count variable. This count variable is captured from the outer function's scope, creating a closure. Here's an example showing how variables are captured in closures. The makeAdder function takes an integer x and returns an anonymous function. This anonymous function takes an integer y and returns the sum of x and y. Notice that x is captured from the outer function. In the usage example, add5 is a function that adds 5 to any number, while add10 adds 10. Each closure retains its own value of x. One practical use case for closures is in event handlers, such as HTTP handlers. The function createHandler takes a message string and returns an HTTP handler function. This handler function writes the captured message to the response. In the usage example, we create a handler with the message welcome and register it to handle requests to the /hello path. The message is captured by the closure. Closures are also useful with Goroutines for concurrent programming. In the anonymous Goroutine example, we start a new Goroutine that prints a message with the name worker 3 times. The name variable is captured by the closure. The second example uses a closure with a channel. A new Goroutine sends the message task complete to the channel ch, and the main Goroutine receives the result from the channel. Here are the key takeaways from this video. Anonymous functions are functions without names, suitable for inline use, and can be executed immediately or assigned to variables. They are perfect for short-lived operations. Closures capture variables from their outer scope and are ideal for event handlers and callbacks. They are also powerful when used with Goroutines and channels.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.